Hey guys, it's your girl Dayla here, and what's going on right now is not a good look, but it's okay because we are about to slay. Okay, today's video is sponsored by Irresistibleme hair, and they sent me over this beautiful piece of weave. This is a ponytail, guys. But first of all, let's appreciate this packaging. It comes in a super cute different cylinder packaging, and then they give you like a silk bag. So what they sent me was a ponytail, and it is a clip-in ponytail. It is 24 inches. I got the color 1B natural black, and when you take it out the package, you can see that the quality is A1. So it comes like shiny, but not too shiny to the point where it looks synthetic. This is human hair, by the way. It's super soft, no shading at all. And the best part about this, guys, is it comes with a try me sample before you open your package. You can use like the try me sample to make sure this is what you like, this is what you want, and this is what you ordered. So that's very amazing. That's very convenient. No other hair company does this, and I love that about this hair company. So all the details about this hair company will be down below if you guys would like to check it out and shop. I really suggest it. They have many different things such as tape-ins, clip-ins, ponytails, curly ponytails for your your natural hair, or if you want to wear straight body wave hair, they have that as well. They have many different colors, and it will blend in with your hair, okay? And also they have the color match guarantee and fast freaking shipping, guys. I swear this only took like 2 days to get to me, like seriously. So this company is very convenient and affordable. I love that. They have amazing quality hair, and this ponytail was super easy to install. So if you want to see how I installed it, just keep on watching. But right now I am just slicking my hair up in a ponytail with a hard bristle brush that I got from my local beauty supply store and some eco salad gel. This took very little time, guys. I promise. Like, this video is real time, and it didn't take long at all. I really love this company for creating this product because it's super convenient. I've been wanting a ponytail for like the longest time ever, and it's just like, this is perfect. I don't have to go to the salon and pay someone to install, a ponytail. Like, pay so many dollars for something that's, so simple. Like, I did it myself at home from the help of Irresistibleme. So thank you so much for sending me over this ponytail because I truly love it, and I'm happy that I can share it with you guys. And I do have a discount code for you guys. It is 5% off. Use the code irresistibleme_dayla at checkout, and you guys can get a discount when you purchase this ponytail. So right now I'm just bringing out some baby hairs. I put my hair in like a little puff, and everything else is pretty self-explanatory. When I get to the ponytail, like actually installing the ponytail, I will come back for you guys. So I put my real hair in like a little sleek bun because I want a high ponytail. So as you guys can see, this is the ponytail. It's very soft, no shedding, no tangles, And I just did like 2 passes with the flat iron. It didn't need much heat at all, and I love that. So as you guys can see, it comes with a clip in the middle, and it comes with 2 strings or 2 ribbons. So what you want to do is use that clip and just clip it in your hair. So clip it, that's gonna place the ponytail, and then you want to use the 2 ribbons or strings to secure the ponytail. So you just want to wrap it around kind of like a bow, or you know, I guess a bow. So yeah, we're gonna just wrap that around, and you can make it as tight or as loose as you please, whatever is best for you. And you're gonna see me just tying it, and I'm gonna tie it in a knot, and then I'm also going to wrap it around, because how you can see it in the back, you don't want that. So you just want to wrap it around until you can't see any more string. And once you finish that, you want to take a little piece of hair from the ponytail to cover the string if you don't want the string to show. But honestly, the string can show because the string is black, so it blends in with your hair. But if you don't want your string to show, then just take a piece of the ponytail weave hair and wrap that around as well, and you're good to go. A few more things that I love about this ponytail is it's not too tight. Like, ponytails are usually like super tight and make your head hurt. They give you headaches. You have to take pills just to stop the headaches. This ponytail did not give me a headache at all. Like, I'll be able to sleep just fine with this ponytail because I can remove it and put it back on when I please, or I could keep it on and it's not so tight because of the clip and strings that they gave me. Like, I don't know, they just made this product like a 10 out of 10, and it's super amazing, and I truly do love it. And that's really the ending of this installation process. I'm just fixing up my baby hairs, and I'm gonna run through the ponytail with the flat iron a few more times, but that's pretty much it. Finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, shop with Irresistibleme hair if you are interested in this hair. They have many different types of extensions, guys. All the information will be down below in the description. Bye.